We're here at the Whole Foods in the Domain, North Austin. We're gonna go check out a weird vending machine they got here. This is the Automat. It's the cigarette machine that somebody's taken and turned into something that sells art. But this is an actual old cigarette machine that they've taken and they've added this on after the fact. And unless you've got a ton of money and know-how, this addition to this old vending machine is very, very complicated. They're pretty and they look real neat, but it's not something your average Joe can just buy and refurbish and then throw out there and start making money on. One of the advantages of owning a vending machine is I never have a shortage of $1 bills. It's always kind of funny when I go to a gas station and I give them $30 worth of ones. I always get kind of a weird look. This one here says Millicent Jones. It's mixed media and food objects. I like that they were able to combine those two. And these limited editions, the randomness, I really like. And I found that a lot of people like the surprise of not knowing what they did. Hey, do me a favor. Tell me which one of these items you like the most in a comment below. I'm gonna go ahead and support this guy's business and buy something. They've got these very specific cardboard boxes and it's got this cellophane around it. Something that I learned once we bought our cigarette machine was unless it is an almost exact replica of a cigarette box, it just won't work in the machine. Cute little origami holder. And it says, you are thankful for small things. Something I'm thankful for is when you subscribe to my channel. This fortune cookie, I don't know if it's even edible. It feels like, yeah, it's not edible. They just took a piece of felt and put a pipe cleaner in it and then glued it down. So I don't really consider this mixed media because there's nothing in here.
That's mixed media. The pipe cleaner and the felt makes it mixed.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna get to eat something. Hey, thanks for coming with me today to check out the Automat. I'd never seen one of those before, so I thought that was pretty cool. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Okay.
I know where you live!